How to log in into Walmart employee portal. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can log in into Walmart employee portal. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and there type in Walmart employee login. Then from your search results, head over to the first link. Now, once you land on this kind of interface, head towards the top right corner and click on Login button. After that, you will be taken into login page where you have to enter all your login credentials associated with your account. At the very top, you have to enter your user ID. After that, select your country or region, then select your location. Once you are done entering current login credentials, simply click on sign in button, and if your login credentials are correct and verified, you will be logged into your Walmart employee account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.